Swachhata campaign 2 in government offices for cleanliness and disposal of pending issues. As directed by Government of India, we have taken up this cleanliness drive from the 2nd October, and it will go on up till the end of this month. During this period, we have started cleaning all our offices. In addition to normal day-to-day cleaning, these things are special drives, and we are weeding out the old files where to make the space in the offices, and also we are cleaning on the this highway junctions where lot of littering is there. It will give a good look to our airport, and passengers, tourists coming here, they will feel happy looking into the ambience. And recently we have taken up a cleanliness drive in the convent and Saint Francis Assisi. So for 3 days, from 27th to 29th. See, in addition to the normal drive, we are taking up in the airport, immediate airport premises, we are always keeping it clean as a routine. Outside, we'll have to make them aware regarding the plastic, everything littering here and there. So we'll try to put some more dustbins collections at the junction points so that people using the plastics and all, they can dispose it off there.